Welcome to my first SecureX integration video. SecureX is a new offering by Cisco that's an open, cloud-native platform that integrates Cisco's security portfolio together for monitoring, investigating, and orchestration. I'll probably be creating quite a few videos on SecureX in the near future as new features are added to the platform. If you have a Cisco security product and you'd like to create your own SecureX account, go to security.cisco.com. SecureX is not something you have to buy additional. If you have a Cisco security product, you can just create an account and link your products together. In this video, we're going to be integrating AMP for Endpoints with SecureX. I'm creating this video on July 2nd, 2020, which is about 3 days after SecureX was released to the general public. To give you an idea for how many built-in integrations were released initially with SecureX, I'm going to navigate to integrations and then available integrations. As you can see, there's quite a few Cisco and third-party integrations that have been included in the initial release. I'm going to go ahead and click the Add New Module button for the AMP for Endpoints module in SecureX. And for the AMP for Endpoints integration, we're going to create API credentials inside of the AMP dashboard, and that's what SecureX is going to use to access it. Let's go ahead and swing over to the AMP for Endpoints dashboard and navigate to Accounts and then API Credentials. I'm going to click the New API Credentials button and name the application SecureX. I'll give this application read and write access so I can use SecureX to take action later. Also give it full permission since there will be orchestration added to my SecureX instance later on, and I want to make sure that it has full access. So I'll go ahead and save the API client ID and API keys and copy them off of here. Now I'll just swing back to SecureX and paste the API client ID and API key into the module. I'm not going to check the box act in the name of the active user since I've noticed some issues with getting the tiles to work when I do that. Then I'll click Save when I'm done. Now when I click on Integrations, I should see my AMP for Endpoints module added. Now I'm going to click Dashboard on the top left. The dashboard in SecureX is highly customizable, which is pretty cool. I can create new dashboards and add tiles based on the integrations I've added. As I'm doing this, you'll have to excuse the lack of activity on my tiles. I'm rebuilding my lab and it's not really showing a lot of activity in the last 90 days. To show you the new dashboard creation, I'll click on New Dashboard and I'll name this new dashboard AMP. Since I've only integrated AMP for Endpoints, I only have AMP-centric tiles available, as you can see. That's okay though. I'll go ahead and add all the tiles in here for this dashboard. After the dashboard is created, you can click on the little arrow on the bottom right-hand corner to resize the tiles. You'd think that it'd be really easy to missize them, but if you put two tiles next to each other, it gives you the size of the other one so you can appropriately size it. It's a pretty nice user experience, as you can see. If you want to move the tiles to a different position on the dashboard, you can click on the top right-hand corner where the hand comes up and drag it to the position you prefer. I'm going to go ahead and adjust my dashboard now so it's a little easier to see more of the tiles at once. It'll probably take me about a minute, but as you can see, it's pretty easy to do. The only thing I'm going to do is make my tiles a little bit smaller and put 3 in a row. So just give me a moment while I go ahead and adjust this. One other thing to point out is that depending on the tile, we can change the time frame for the information displayed as well as filtering certain information. So now I have the information displayed in a way that I like it, and I have a customized AMP dashboard on SecureX. The other cool thing is that after I integrate AMP for Endpoints with SecureX, it's already integrated with Cisco Threat Response, which I can launch by clicking on the Threat Response launch button on the left-hand side. The cool thing about SecureX is that if you have products already integrated with CTR or Cisco Threat Response, they will be added to SecureX automatically and vice versa. And that wraps up my video on configuring AMP for Endpoints and SecureX integration. Thank you so much for watching.